Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, we're back at a new location for the moment while everything get fixed back at home in Louisiana. But staying positive and keep moving forward with my videos. Today I'm coming at you guys with a new recipe that I got inspiration from overseas. It's a kiwi wine. I label mine Countryside Kiwi. So of course, you know, I put my own spin and twist on this, guys. I'm using 2 pounds of golden kiwis, 2 pounds of regular kiwis, 2 pounds of white sugar, well actually 1 pound of white sugar, 1 pound of light brown sugar. I'm also using a honey from Hawaii called Luhua blossom honey. Guys, when you use the honey for this recipe, you can use whatever honey you want to use, because the one that I have costs $39.99. I can tell you one thing, this honey better be very good, very good. But I'm using 1 pound of that honey. I'm also using 1 lemon for the juice, as far as the acid. I'm using HEB Earl Grey Premium Black Tea for the tannin. I don't have my yeast out apparently, but I will be using LALVIN EC11 118. I mean EC11 18 yeast, and 1 gallon of water for this one. Guys, from what I know, this should make a nice wine, white wine with maybe a little greenish tinge, slash golden tinge possibly. And I heard it is also pretty tasty. It has a nice flavor to it, compared to a melon or tropical flavor. But we're also going to be using the peptic enzyme that you see in front of us to get some of that clarity that we want out this wine. But enough being said, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get to this process. So let's go.